Do you know the one thing we're missing on this boat?
Only one thing?
Well, yeah, there's some, but a really big thing.
Water?
Water. I don't want to pack water. You don't want to pack water.
No, I'm too lazy. I've done that. Packing water in jerry cans is terrible.
So that's our next project. We are going to be working on our water maker. Ventura 150.
150. Takes 17 watts to make 1 gallon of water. It makes 6.5 gallons an hour. We have all the dimensions written down from the specs. We're gonna make some boxes, some 3-dimensional shapes, run around this boat and see where we can fit all the parts. So here we go.
Here is our water maker. High class instruments for
High
makage
quality
of water. Right here you have the feed pump module.
We've got a bag of parts, a bunch of stuff, but I think we've got it in our heads how it works. And I think we know where we want to put most things.
Take a look at where we're trying to put it. After much thought, where that box is back there. I know it doesn't look like anything, but we're gonna try to use this space. Hopefully it's a good plan.
Calling my happy ass back in here. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pick this shelf we're gonna put the water maker on, the actual Clark pump,
Hold on.
up here 12 inches down from up there so that we can access all this storage underneath, because that's all the room this thing needs. So that's step one. Well, step one was arguing about over where to put the water maker.
I don't think we argued. We
Step
debated.
two was debating on where to put the through hole. And apparently this is step three. Is to cram your butt inside a hole and try to work. I'm going to try to get this module, this control panel put back on, or put on for this water maker. So what we decided to do, we're going to put it right here next to our fridge. So we cut some boards that fit. There's one. One's going to go there. We've got them all stained up. And another one's going to go right here, and we're going to mount that control panel right here. It took about an hour to put these two boards in and mount this control panel up. It is amazing to me how much longer things take than I think they should. Main control panel's in, filters in, accumulator tank is in, got a few hoses connected. So far this is going pretty well. But now I gotta put this in. Where is it? I gotta put this in. It requires like a 3-inch hole in the back of this thing, so now I'm committing to something. Now hopefully every decision we've made has been right, and this is where we're gonna put this thing, because once I drill this hole, it's pretty permanent. It's not just something I can patch. Apparently I have commitment issues, because this stuff gives me heartburn. This is what it looks like mounted up. Got my gauge here, pressure gauge, flow meter. This guy will be the diverter valve, test water, fresh water, or test water, fresh water. Haven't decided yet. We are getting closer and closer. I've spent all day sitting right here on my ass. So I think I've pretty much got everything mounted. All I gotta do now is run the water lines, supply lines, and I have to run the power. And I still have been putting off the through hole. Still not 100% convinced of where we want to put it is where I want to put it. So there's that. This is my supply line from the water maker. Somehow I gotta tap this guy into here. I think I'm going to put it right there. For a couple reasons. One is my tap I found will actually spin in a full circle right here, which is nice. And second, I think it's pretty easy. So I've got my tap, I've got a drill bit. I think I'm good to go. I opened up that inspection hole and the metal seems pretty thick, so I think this should tap out all right. So it's the next day. It's cold in here. Utah weather, man, in the spring is something else. I had to start with an electric heater because I could see my breath when I got here. But it's cranking out a little bit of heat. We should be okay. Today I'm going to try to finish plumbing most of this water maker. I'm still not going to drill a hole in the bottom of the boat yet for the through hole. Today, plumbing, electrical on the water maker. That is the goal for the day. I got a heater going. I got some 80s hairband music just cranking. We're gonna crawl back in that hole, put in the drain lines, everything we can for this water maker, hook up some electrical. And that's probably gonna take me most of the day, so let's get to this thing. Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your boys. Get wild, wild, wild. Wild tonight. Yeah, I know, I can't sing, but I don't care. It's 80s hair bands, man. You can't go wrong with this music. I wish you guys could hear it. This goes here. There we go. Put that there. I'm gonna hose clamp. Or not hose clamp, but probably wire tie. I think we're good. Let's tighten this bad boy up. Don't know why anymore. A little quiet riot. On a gloomy Friday afternoon. I think all the plumbing is done. Except for the through hole, the actual seawater supply line, which I'm still waiting on parts for that. And then I would like to test this system, but if I do that, then I gotta store it because we don't need it for another like 2-3 months. But man, I'm real curious if I have any leaks and if this thing actually works. But we'll see. By the way, I have a couple friends who are plumbers. Luke, Ryan. Don't laugh at my plumbing, all right? I'm a carpenter, soon to be retired carpenter, and soon to be a homeless bum. That is, you know, beach bum. That's the goal. So, Luke and Ryan, hopefully you guys enjoyed my show of how not to plumb, probably. I hope you got a good chuckle out of me. I hope to not read any comments saying how bad my plumbing is, but I think it looks okay. So, check it out. Little shutoff valve, 90. I can move on to the electrical. So first thing I gotta do is I gotta got another toggle switch and another set of fuses. They are going to go. This is what I have so far. Windlass, freshwater, autopilot. I'm gonna move these a little closer because they're kind of far away. I'm going to use these holes for another set of fuses, for another set of toggles here. That's the plan. I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 in right now. I only need 1, but I'll always need a spare. I'm thinking I want to do some cockpit lights. It'd be pretty cool to have. More holes in the boat. Yep. Freaking hate it. Hate it. Got the voltmeter out. I'm gonna check my wiring. Let's see how we did. Woo, check it out. 13.43 volts. Sweet. All right, I think we succeeded. We got the wiring all done, which was pretty cool. It's good to have that out of the way, although I'm much more comfortable with the electrical than I am the plumbing. I really do not like plumbing. I think that's a night. We will see you guys probably tomorrow. And then I think all that we'll have left is that through hole, which I keep putting off. So anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So we're just out here on the bow of the boat enjoying this sunset and being very grateful for all the work we put in putting that water maker in, because we have not had to lug water yet. It's it's a Spectra water maker. It's been producing water. Anytime we've asked it to do its job, it just does its job. The solar's been keeping up. We run it every 4 to 5 days.
4 or 5. Yeah.
We're probably gonna end up running a little bit more. We've been using more water lately, which is great. It's been amazing. We've packed jerry jugs full of water before, and it's just no fun. This water maker is a huge improvement to our lives. It's been really good.
Great. I like it. I even have water.
I don't have water, but I have ice that came from our water maker.
We also like to give a big shout out to our newest patron, Chad Hayes. Thank you so much for your support, and we can't wait to share more videos with you guys. Your support on YouTube and Patreon are making this happen, and we really appreciate it. We can't wait to show you more adventures and bring you along. So give us a like. Don't forget to hit that button, the like button. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.
See ya.
See ya.